Welcome to the new patented BlockFast construction system. This dry building system simplifies the construction technique through the use of simple, easy-to-install components, such as concrete blocks, BlockFast plastic connectors and galvanized steel tubes. This video will show one of the different construction applications of BlockFast assembling a house in a simple, economical, safe, and above all fast way. The construction of the house will begin with the foundations, so first the concrete slab on which the house will be located will be made. To better optimize deadlines, pallets of concrete blocks and boxes of BlockFast connectors will be distributed efficiently throughout the site. Then, the layout of the house will be carried out on the concrete slab, thus defining both the perimeter of the house and the distribution. Once the development is completed, construction of the house will begin with the installation of 2 BlockFast connectors. A block of technical concrete will be locked onto these connectors, thus beginning the construction of the facade using a pressure installation system. This simple process will be carried out successively for the first row of concrete blocks, the rest of the facade of the house, as well as its interior divisions. The second row of blocks will be made in the same way, but paying attention to the holes for the doors, since for these we will use U-shaped metal profiles. These profiles will be installed vertically in the aforementioned holes, being duly supported, overcome the horizontal forces produced by the blocks during the construction process. Subsequently, and once the height of 1 meter is reached, the galvanized steel tubes will be introduced, which will be part of the structure of the house, as well as those which will give additional rigidity to the system. As the construction of door openings and passage openings has been carried out, window openings will be made. The process of introducing metal profile tubes for openings and profiles for lintels will be repeated until a height of 2.6 meters is reached. At this point, the installation of the special wall and roof pieces should begin. Once all the concrete pieces are in place, the Zeta-type metal profiles will be installed, which will be attached, where applicable, to the steel tubes that make up the structure of the house. In this way, the metal structure placed inside the concrete blocks would be composed on the one hand, structural tubes to connect the foundations, the facade, the interior divisions and the roof and, on the other hand, non-structural tubes to provide additional rigidity to the construction. Once the roofing part is completed, it is time to introduce the plumbing and electrical installations, as well as others necessary for the proper conditioning of the house. Once the installations are in place, the roof of the house will be installed easily and simply as you can see. Finally, all that remains is to place the sills in the window openings, finishing the construction of the house by installing the doors and windows. BlockFast.